Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Corner, the video podcast where we talk everything crypto related to help you navigate safely and easily in the crypto space. In this video, we will explore some new releases and token listings that caught my attention today. Verasity, Fitburn, Ordinals, Lido, Gala games, all have upcoming new releases or exchange listings soon, and these are events that usually move the price. So whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, you can find out what's happening in the cryptoverse and use this to your benefit. So let's get into it. Roll the intro. Alright, well, first let's talk exchange listings, starting with Ordinals, the NFT project which is expanding its ecosystem with its own NFT marketplace. For those who missed my previous episodes where I talked about this, Ordinals is a Bitcoin-based NFT project that creates non-fungible tokens by minting unique data onto the Bitcoin blockchain. The project aims to provide a decentralized marketplace for digital assets, and it is designed to be user-friendly and accessible. The Ordinals protocol allows people who operate Bitcoin nodes to inscribe each Satoshi with data, creating something called an ordinal. It's a different type of NFT than your usual JPEGs because these are created by inscribing content onto individual Satoshis that can be tracked and held by users. The data is purely on-chain and doesn't rely on other protocols, making it more decentralized and more secure. Also, ordinals are numbered based on the order in which they are minted and transferred, giving each Satoshi a serial number and tracking them across transactions. This makes it possible to create unique digital assets that are stored on the Bitcoin blockchain. And there is also a decentralized marketplace by Ordinals where you can trade these NFTs, and it's powered by its own native token called Ordi. And this token is already listed on crypto.com application. So users can purchase it using fiat currencies there, but there is a new listing coming up, and this one is on BitGet exchange. BitGet, as you know, is a strong competitor in the centralized exchange space. They're expanding their trading pairs really fast. There's no specified date for this listing yet. The announcement was not really mentioning the launch date, but it was posted just hours ago, so keep an eye on that. Alright, well, moving on to the next one, and this is Fitburn, a play-to-earn project that I talked about some time ago here on this channel, if you remember. Well, now their token is about to be listed on 3 exchanges, so that's great for token holders or those who are yet to accumulate this one, as it will surely bring more liquidity and more interest in the token, which, as you know, means price appreciation. I said play to earn, but that is broadly speaking. In fact, Fitburn is the first burn to earn application based on AI technology, and it helps you stay motivated and improve your lifestyle and earn money from it. It's basically an app that is paying you in tokens for every calorie that you burn. You get more active, you get better rewards. This is a new Web3 economic model which rewards users for participating in certain sports-related activities, and it made quite a buzz last year. It's a new concept, and it's still in its infancy. And Fitburn basically took the move to earn base model and came up with the perfect win-win solution for all fitness lovers, which they call burn to earn. Innovative, right? Well, it doesn't matter what sports you actually take part in. All that matters is the total number of calories that you burn. The more you burn, the more you earn. It's really as simple as that. Also, in order to start exercising with Fitburn, users need to hold a gamified t-shirt NFT. There's even a free gym membership from the partner gyms. You can set up Fitburn on a smartwatch and start the phone app. For every calorie that you burn, you will be earning calorie coins. CAL is the ticker symbol, which can be used to trade, hold, upgrade NFTs, purchase supplements, get a discount on any of the retailer partners that they have. There's a lot to it. You can even rent these NFTs and increase the rewards that you get up to 50% with the CAL token, calorie token. These are, of course, utility tokens. They can be used to buy products and services on the platform. So to start using the app, you have to buy one of these NFT t-shirts. There are 4 types and they're ranked by rarity. Obviously, the more rare it is, the bigger the amount of tokens that you will be earning per day. Burnt calories are converted into the CEL token, hence why they call this model burn to earn. The project already has top partners from the fitness world. Olymp and Mr. Olympia, 2 of the largest bodybuilding contests, also FIBO, the world's leading trade show for fitness, wellness and health. Other partnerships include Firechain, Scalped, Digital 51, Sales and Ads, Swissborg, Certic, PancakeSwap, and there's others as well. The calorie token listing is scheduled for the 15th of May on PancakeSwap, Gate.io, MaxC, and BitGet. 4 popular exchanges. This is a chance to buy the CAL token on any of these platforms and increase your earnings inside the app. Listings on bigger exchanges in the future will only help the price go up, of course, so seeing the token on these exchanges is a great start in my opinion. It means that we get to buy them from BitGet or PancakeSwap, my top choices here, then move them into the app and enjoy greater benefits, or even sell them in a little while as the price moves in favorable direction. It's up to you. Details on the Fitburn listing will be announced on social networks. Make sure that you're following them on there. Don't miss the announcements. They have a separate channel on Telegram actually, dedicated to announcements only. So this is a great way to keep up to date, of course. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices and it is in beta. You can download it already and you can start earning straight away. Alright, moving on to the next one. I will try to be brief as I can talk so much, this video might be too long. Lido. This is another project that is doing really well this year. This is a decentralized staking infrastructure for Ethereum 2.0. I've been trading the Lido token a lot in the last few months. I shared this with you already, so you probably know. I did talk about this in previous episodes. Well, they are ready to launch the Lido version 2, the latest upgrade for the Lido protocol. This upgrade is aimed at further decentralizing the protocol and improving its security, also its efficiency. Lido version 2 was expected to go live already back in March, but it was postponed and the final on-chain vote for the version 2 upgrade is scheduled for the 12th of May, as their official announcement reads here. If the vote is successful, the upgrade will go live on the 15th of May. The upgrade includes major features such as new staking contract, a new governance contract, and a new token contract. The version 2 upgrade is expected to be bullish for the price of the Lido token, which has dropped significantly over the last couple of weeks, but this might be the boost that it needed. So if you have any Lido tokens, keep an eye on the vote, or if you're willing to get some and do a quick swing trade or something, take advantage of the upgrade hype, then you might have to rush a little because this token is already recovering. I mean, it did drop a lot, all the way to 150 the other day. Now it's approaching $2 again, and I think it can easily go to 230 and above. We'll see. I might do technical analysis on it next time. If you want me to, well, let me know in the comments. Are you trading this one? Alright, well, next is Verasity. I introduced this project to you back in February, I think, while I was in Vietnam. It is an open ledger ecosystem that aims to solve issues around video advertising and NFT fraud. The platform provides infrastructure and tools for video publishers to serve loyalty programs using the VRA token. Veracity's patented proof-of-view blockchain-based technology is designed to fight advertising fraud, provide open access to infrastructure for publishers and advertisers, and reward users for watching video content. The network's native token, VRA, is getting listed on LBank exchange later today actually. LBank is a high-volume cryptocurrency exchange and this listing is expected to help Verasity expand its global reach. If you didn't manage to buy any of these tokens already, I don't think the first few days after this listing will be the best time. I'd say wait a little and grab it at the dip. It's a token that has yet to make bigger moves, so it is on my radar and hopefully on yours too. And lastly, Gala Games. Another project that you're familiar with from many of my videos last year and the year before. It's having a new release. They're also launching a version 2 of their platform. The upgrade will see users receive new version of Gala tokens. The new Gala contract is scheduled to go live also on Monday the 15th, same time as Lido's version 2. The upgrade includes contract audits and details, and it is aimed at improving the security and efficiency of the Gala Games ecosystem. Several exchanges, including Kraken and Binance, have announced their support for the Gala token upgrade, and Bitstamp also announced that it will support the version 2 migration and complete the upgrades to Gala version 2 automatically for its users. I trade Gala on Binance, so that's fine for me. If you're holding Gala in a cold wallet, self-custody, you might want to move them briefly to Binance or another exchange just until the migration to the new token is done, or else you will have to manually do this, and it might not be too simple. Quite frankly, in the beginning I was doing these things myself, but lately I just use the exchanges to handle these kind of token swaps for me, as I don't really have the time or the patience to bother with these things myself. It's just easier to send the tokens to the exchange for a few days and take them out again when everything is done. And this is my advice to you.
One of our sponsors is Token Metrics. I chose them to be one of our partners specifically because I use this website a lot in my marketing analysis and research. If you want to know where is the right time to enter a position on any coin or token, and more importantly, when to exit, because this is really the difficult part. There are loads of metrics here to help you with that. This is one of their new tools that helps me analyze the market better and spot the right entry or exit points. As you can see, it gives you a green signal when the market turns bullish, meaning we are in an uptrend, and the red signals indicate when the market has turned bearish. Thus, exiting positions and preventing losses becomes really easy with this tool. There are so many tools that you can use. Here's another one, the out season Bitcoin season indicator, that gives me a very good idea if it's time to diversify into outs or should my focus be on Bitcoin instead. There is no need to be a back holder during a bear market. I think by now that much is clear. And with this tool, it's a no-brainer. They provide in-depth data and stats on all cryptocurrencies and a lot of new upcoming projects. You can also customize your portfolio and track your P&L day to day, and you can create separate portfolios for different exchanges that you use to monitor your progress in the most efficient way. They offer a trial period and you get a 10% discount and a free ebook with my link, so go check it out, it's in the description below.
Alright guys, so this wraps up today's episode of Crypto Corner. Thanks for staying until the end of this video. I hope the information that I relate to you is going to help you, but do remember that this is not an investment or financial advice. I am merely stating my personal views, and I'm just sharing information that could be beneficial to you if you're trading these tokens or if you have invested in these tokens, but do not follow this as some sort of advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. I am an analyst and investor, just like you. Anyways, I do hope that it's helpful, and if it does, show your support by leaving a like. Also leave a comment below, or if you have any suggestions or questions, also drop them in the comments down there, and make sure that you check out the links in the description where I drop the links to all of the services that I spoke today about, or that I'm personally using and that I recommend to you. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos, and I'm gonna see you there.